Mabuhay Kamustika, welcome. How are you? This is Bob from Love Beyond the Sea. Aiza has just returned from shopping. It's a gorgeous Sunday afternoon here, and she is wearing my favorite Aiza t-shirt that's on my favorite Aiza photo that I have. And looks like she's got the oven going, I think. Maybe it's the microwave, it could be this air popper, but she just got right in. She's got rice cooked. She's been to the store. Looks like some chicken wing sections. And she's got some gigantic strawberries. I guess it's that time of year. Certainly feels like it. As nice as the weather is. Strawberries, now those are really good. Strawberries and watermelon when it gets hot. It's not hot. What's it feel like, hon? About 70? 60 something. There's some wind blowing, but it sure seems really nice. Are those grapes, hon? What you got in your hands?
No, these are lemon.
Oh, okay. It's for cooking.
Yeah, we can use this for cooking and juice. This is the real vitamin C.
Mm-hmm. Oh, good.
This is what I am doing when I go grocery shopping.
Mm-hmm.
I wipe it with alcohol wipe before I put it inside that part, and then when I get home, I clean it.
Well, you're just doing everything you possibly can to keep us safe from the coronavirus. And I see she's got some asparagus. I really like asparagus.
I do too.
I mean, we don't eat it much, but I would every day. I just cut off the ends and cook the rest of it for a little bit, boil it. And it's
This is what I'm doing.
really good.
This is a antibacterial soap.
Yep, I would guess. Antibacterial soap. She's washing the cucumbers. Well, you got some good food there, hon. Then you got some, what we got here, frozen vegetables?
No, that's some kind of
Mexican mix there. Looks like that's going to be delicious. And salmon. Wow, now we're talking. Aiza making salmon sometime this week. Probably in a couple hours or less, she'll have everything put away. She's sanitizing it, and she'll have food cooked for next week. You got some eggs. So she's been real industrious here on this beautiful Sunday afternoon. Sorry, Mom, got you on camera there. Oh, it's too late. Only 100 million people might see it. And I'm going to go outside because it's such a nice, all right, here we go. Such a nice day for a walk. I'm even going to have shorts on for the first time this year. I hope I don't blind anybody. With a lack of tan. I used to be able to get darker than Aiza. Maybe I still can if I get outside enough. Alright. Something like that. Okay, hon, I appreciate you very much. I love everything you do. I love you very much. I'm gonna go for a walk if you don't mind. So we'll see you later here on.
You're gonna go for a walk?
Gonna go for a walk with my shorts. Try to find somewhere where nobody is so they don't laugh at me. I'm not very dark right now. These legs haven't been dark for a long time. So that's it for now here on Love Beyond the Sea.